How to look more stylish, tips and tricks. I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women select the best styles so they can look great and dress with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. Are you ready? Let's talk about how to look stylish and never outdated. I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can do this using accessories and clothing. So I'm going to get into the nitty-gritty of proportion, color, style. As you know, you can get large jewelry, small jewelry, medium-sized jewelry, and the type you gravitate towards has mostly to do with your style personality. So for demonstration purposes, I have partnered with Ana Luisa to show you the small type of jewelry, the fine, beautiful, delicate jewelry, and I'm wearing some right here, the earrings and the necklace. So we're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about larger jewelry also. But first, let me tell you about Ana Luisa Jewelry. They've gifted me the jewelry that I'm going to demonstrate. I'm not being compensated for it other than the jewelry that they've given me. The jewelry is carbon neutral. They give back to the environment what they take out. The solid gold is 100% gold from recycled jewelry, also from industrial metals. The silver jewelry is 100% recycled and 92.5% of it is pure silver. It's guaranteed for life. Also, they make it in small batches every Friday, so there's not a lot of jewelry. I will leave a link in the description box below, and you'll be able to get 20% off. So first, let's talk about proportion. All great looks are in proportion, so they have synergy. Everything goes together well, and it's in balance. So when it comes to jewelry, you'll want to wear jewelry that is in balance with your face shape, with your body type, and with your size. But it's not quite as simple as that. So let me use myself as an example first. I am not a really small person, so I'm not petite, and I'm not really tall. I'm kind of in between, 5'7". So really small jewelry you would think wouldn't really suit me. But I can wear it on certain occasions, and let me give you an example. So right now I'm wearing the small, tiny jewelry, but also I have a tiny print, so it matches the print. The small jewelry matches this top because it's a small print, the jewelry is small, the necklace is delicate. If I wore really large jewelry with this, with a pattern, it would throw it off and it would clash. So even though I'm not a small person, this jewelry still fits well with this because of what I'm wearing. If I wore a solid color, I could wear bigger, bolder jewelry. When it comes to my personality type, I do like big, bold jewelry, but I also want to look stylish and I want to be in balance. So when I wear something delicate, like a delicate print, I want to wear delicate jewelry. Also, it depends on the outfit, depends on the occasion. So for example, if I wore solid colors and delicate jewelry, unless I wore layers of delicate jewelry, it wouldn't show up. I would kind of fade in the background because of my size. So let's take a person who is tiny, who is really petite and has small bones. How could they wear larger jewelry and not have it out of proportion to their body? This is how they do it. They would wear jewelry that is thin. So thin earrings. So you could have larger earrings, but they're thin. The difference is a large chunky. So if you're larger, the bigger, you can carry out the bigger chunky stuff better. But if you like large and you're smaller or tiny, you can wear still large size, but thinner. The next thing you want to consider about your jewelry is color. You want to have jewelry that matches your skin tone, that blends with your skin tone. Silver jewelry is for cool tones, and gold jewelry is for warm tones. If you have a warm skin tone, wear gold jewelry. If you have a cool skin tone, wear silver jewelry. Now, let's say you are cool, but you want to wear gold jewelry. You really like gold jewelry. Well, you can do that too by combining them. So to do this, you could layer your necklaces. You could wear 2 cool and 1 gold. Or you could layer your bracelets. For example, if you're cool, wear 2 cool and 1 warm. If you're warm, wear 2 warm and 1 cool. So there is a way to make it all work. And the same thing goes for earrings. If you have your ears pierced more than once, you could wear 2 silver and a gold, 2 gold and a silver. And these earrings here are also from Ana Luisa. I really like them. They kind of look like little diamond rings. If you like the layered look, you can go to their website and find it. They have both gold and silver jewelry. So choosing jewelry that's in balance with your body size, that matches what you're wearing, so it's in balance also with what you're wearing, with the print, for example, or the solids, and also the right color will keep you looking more updated. Whenever you keep that synergy in your whole look, you will look updated. It's when the eye gets mixed up seeing different things that you look out of date. Or that's one way you could look out of date. So let's move on to the next accessory, glasses. And again, I've partnered with another company, Sniff. Now I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right. Sniff, I think this is what it is. They sent me 2 pairs of glasses and I really like them. I wear glasses sometimes, mostly I wear contacts, but these are beautiful, feel really nice and strong, and they fit well, look great. So let's talk about glasses. Glasses are really an accessory, and some of the things you want to know is first color, and the next one is proportion. Again, you will most likely choose glasses that are based on your style personality, the ones that really pop out and grab you. And you may also choose them based on the styles that are available and what's trending. First, you'll want to choose glasses that are in harmony with your face shape. And generally, you don't want to choose glasses that are the same shape as your face. So if you have a round face, you don't want to choose round glasses. However, if you have an oval shaped face, you can wear any style glasses. You would be the lucky one. But the best way to find out is to look in the mirror and choose different styles to find out which one that you really like, that feels best for you, that fits best, and you feel comfortable wearing. It would be also a good idea to do some research on glasses and face shapes to see how they all go together and which one would be best for your face shape. The other thing you want to look at is the colors. The same as colors for clothing, choose colors that match your skin tone. So if you have warm coloring, choose glasses that are in a gold tone or in warm colors. And the next thing about glasses is not to clash them with your accessories. Glasses are considered accessories. So also, sunglasses are accessories. These again are from Sniff. They are really good quality glasses at a really great price, and they come in all different sizes and colors, so you'll be sure to be able to get your best color there and a style that suits your face shape. I will leave a link to their website and also to a discount code in the description box below. So now let's talk about scarves. And the same is true for jewelry and glasses. With scarves, you will want to choose a scarf that is in proportion to your body size. Or how you wear it, you make it in proportion to your body size. Also, it has to be a color to look great. It has to be in a color that suits your skin tone. So it's in harmony with your skin tone. Also, a scarf that's in harmony with your outfit. A scarf is great to pull a look together, really fantastic for this. So for example, if you have a solid color pant, solid color top, and a solid color sweater or jacket, so you could use a scarf with all those 3 colors and bring that whole look together. So first let's talk about proportion. If you want to elongate your look, you want to look taller and slimmer, you can wear long scarves or wear a scarf that lengthens your body. If you have a long neck and you want to make your neck look shorter, you can use a scarf around your neck to create that horizontal line and make your neck look shorter. And the same thing is true if you have a short neck. You will want to avoid scarves that create horizontal lines because it will make your neck look shorter, and you don't want to do that. So think about the scarf you're wearing, how you're wearing it, and how it is in proportion to your whole body. Another way proportion shows up is if you are a small person and you wear a scarf that's really, really huge, and it will look like it overpowers your body. And this is also a reason why you should always look in the mirror and give yourself a second look before you run out the door to make sure that everything looks in proportion. And if you look at yourself with that one thought, is everything in proportion? Because sometimes you can look at your whole outfit and not really see that. But when you pay attention to something in particular, it will be more noticeable. So the next thing you want to look at to keep your look stylish and never outdated are your shoes. So if you're a person who likes shoes and you have lots of shoes, this won't be a problem for you because you'll always have the latest style. However, if you don't really buy a lot of shoes, you don't really think much about shoes, you could run the risk of having shoes that are outdated. So if you're the type of person who doesn't want to buy a lot of shoes, but you always want to have an updated look, it's best to choose shoes that are classic styles that usually stand the test of time. The first one is pumps. Choose pumps that are in a neutral color. Neutral colors don't ever go out of style. Also choose a toe that's not rounded, not square, that is pointed but not too pointed, because that's where styles change a lot. It's in the shape of the toe. So color and shape. The next thing you want to look for too would be sandals. Dress up sandals. You want sandals too that aren't really different. If a sandal has different colors, different embellishments, it could stay stylish for a long time, but depending on how long you want to keep it. But when there's different elements to shoes, that's when you won't be able to keep them as long. The same is true for sneakers. So you can buy plain sneakers. If you want to wear sneakers, that would be the best type to buy, plain. If you buy anything with embellishments, different colors, stripes, patterns, they won't be stylish for long. And the same is true for boots. Choose boots that stand the test of time in neutral colors, black, brown, beige, and don't have different types of heels, platforms, different types of toes. Stick with basic styles. There's no reason why you can't have shoes that are fancy and bright and colorful, but just make sure that if you're still wearing it, that it's still stylish so it doesn't outdate your look. Let's move on from accessories to actual styles and how the styles you choose can outdate your look. If you're keeping up with styles, that's great. You'll know what's in and what's not. But if you don't want to spend too much time with styles and shopping and you just want to have a wardrobe that works, but you don't want to be outdated, choose styles that are classic. So for example, if you like to wear turtlenecks, wear basic solid color turtlenecks. As soon as you choose a turtleneck that has stripes, that has patterns, that has frills, that has embellishments, now it's anchored to a certain time. The same is true for dresses. A dress that is in a classic style, classic lines, you can wear for a long time. When you choose a dress with a different hemline, when you choose a dress with a different top, different necklines, with frills or piping, anything that's different, now you've anchored it to a different time. And the same is for skirts. So a classy skirt would be a pencil skirt or a straight skirt. But if you choose a straight skirt that has sequins or a skirt like this one, you can see how it's different, and then it gets anchored to that time period. Again, this is fine if you know this and you're going to only wear it for a season or two. That's great. If you're not paying attention, you could wear it later, maybe a couple of years later, when it becomes dated then, because it's anchored to that time period. These examples are for you if you want to dress easy and you don't want to do a lot of shopping. There are, however, women who love different styles and like to mix and match them and are very artistic. So for them, anything that stands out, like a sweater that's different or a skirt that's different, they might even put them together. They might even have a pair of shoes they want to put together with this. They have their own style, and for them, fashion is art, and they love putting it together. So that will be their style personality, and that is great because this is the way they dress. And to stay stylish and not outdated, beware of proportion, color, and your style personality. And before I go, I want to remind you that I've left links in the description box below for Ana Luisa and for Ziff. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.